Hey y'all, it's me, Lynn Daniel, coming to you today on the Buddy Zone. So this is my teacher YouTube channel here on YouTube, where I share inspirational things for teachers. Alright, so it is Saturday, January 13th, 2018, and I am recording on my phone. So I have no tripod, I have no thingy stick, iffy stick, or what is it called? Y'all know what I mean. Yeah, whatever. Anyway, I don't have that, so I'm just holding it in my hand. But I wanted to come today just to check in because, well, I have been trying to change up my diet, my nutrition, my foods that I eat, because I have a tendency to eat the same foods over and over and over by choice, because I have high sensitivities to different things. And so to minimize interactions, I find some food that I like and I just stick with that. Well, okay, so my daughter was saying, Mom, you need to add some variety in your diet, blah, 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 give your body some different, you know, mineral sources or whatever. So, okay. So yesterday I shared that I was eating some chips and sriracha. Now that's not very nutritious, but for me, it's just a break from the same old, same old. And then today, I really wanted to stay on that hot, that spicy hot trend. So I made myself in my blender. I have one of those cool blenders where you can make soups in there. It will heat up your ingredients in there. So I made some tomato soup with, well, actually the base of it is a homemade chili that I got from a deli of a grocery store. And then I added in a whole tomato, and then I chopped up a hot pepper. I put some sriracha sauce in there and garlic, minced up garlic, and it's pretty good. I've pretty much eaten the majority of it. You see this big old cup? It wasn't filled to the brim, but you know, and was it hot? Yes, it was. And then also while I was at the store, I bought some cornbread ready-made because it was sitting there and it was looking like pound cake. And let me tell you, it tastes so much like pound cake to where I was like, this is pound cake. Now you can taste the corn in there. So I Googled cornbread mixed with cake mix. And sure enough, I found a couple of recipes. So y'all girls who cook, you all probably already were in on that tip. That is the best cornbread I have ever had. Sorry, Mom. Sorry, Grandma. This is the best cornbread I've ever had. Yes. And I'm going to go in and read the ingredients. I bet you the ingredients doesn't say corn mix, but there's a telltale sign in the taste bud that there's corn mix and cake mix blended together here. So it's really good. So cornbread and chili soup, if you will. So that's been my dinner. And then I ordered, so Too Cool for Middle School had mentioned a book, had recommended a book that we should buy called something about teaching the civil rights movement. And so I ordered it off of Amazon. And I mean, I've had a couple of shipping problems on Amazon before. Not very many, because my track record and history with Amazon has been pretty good. So let me tell you the title of the book that she recommended, and it is not the book that I received. So she recommended that we get a book called Putting the Movement Back into Civil Rights Teaching. And it says the author is, or editor, Alana Murray, and then some other editors. And the book was $5.99, sold by a company called Thrift Books Green Earth. And they have positive ratings in the mid 90s, 94%, 95%. And they have a lot of, like, 560,000, I guess, reviews or purchases. Okay, so I felt, hey, they were solid enough to buy from, but I didn't get the book I ordered. I got this instead. So I skimmed through it, you know, and it talks about migration, immigration, migrating from the Caribbean, from Puerto Rico up to the States. You know, I contacted the seller on Amazon and I told them I didn't receive my book the title I ordered, you know, and it's just $6. I'm willing to keep this book, but I'm also willing to tell other buyers that you buy at your own risk, because you may end up getting the wrong book. So, oh well, that's just that. And then here I have been getting my water in. So I have a water goal of 1 gallon a day, or as close to 1 gallon a day that I can get. So this is 2 days. So I did 5, 17, those 16.9, might have well rounded to 17 ounce bottles of water, 5 of those yesterday, and then I bought the gallon. So let's see, 5 times 17 is 85 ounces. So that's almost a gallon. What's a gallon? 128 fluid ounces. So that's about half, right? A little more than half. And then, yeah, so I've been drinking on this today. So I think I'm gonna make my goal for my water. And then finally, I had mentioned to Miss May when she did a purse giveaway, and I had mentioned, she in that video mentioned that she liked a backpack bag for school, and I mentioned to her Henri Bendel. Henri Bendel is a company out of New York that I discovered a few years back from a friend. Oh my goodness, their handbags are beautiful. And at the semi-annual sale that they have, I think they have it like twice a year. Yeah, semi-annual. Several times a year. Okay, more than once a year. They mark down those handbags to 50 and 60% off. So I purchased this one and another one, and this is my favorite. And you can get them monogrammed for $5. So I got a monogram, and then it's a satchel, and I've got it packed down because I have my mail in here and then all kinds of stuff. And it has a nice zippy top. Maybe one day I'll do what's in my handbag. I'm not gonna do that today. Oh, I don't want to sit that on the floor. It has feet though, look. It has feet, and the feet keep the bottom clean. I like that. So that one is the Carlisle tote, and I think it's the largest size. It's beautiful, you all. So Henri Bendel, if you're looking for a nice handbag, I don't know how much longer the sale is going to be going on, but you know, if that's your thing, if you're in the market for that. And then they give you a receipt, and the receipt comes in this envelope. They package it up so pretty in a brown and white box that looks like that. And then they give you a brown and white dust bag. And I'm not getting, this is not sponsored. I'm not getting any kickbacks or link discounts or anything. I'm just sharing with you, you know, if you want a nice handbag. So that's about it for today. I am going to go, I don't know what I'm going to do today. Probably nothing special. Probably read just a little bit, maybe journal just a little bit. You know, kind of look at the goals for the upcoming week. We have Monday off, you all. Commemorate Dr. King. His quest for civil rights really helped make America great. So, yeah, with that said, I think I'll go. Thank you all for stopping in. If you like my videos, thumbs them up, subscribe, and hit that notification icon so you can know when I upload new videos. Be blessed. Bye.